Hi, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the live session, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, Clover is down negative 4.12%, guys. Oh man, not a fantastic day to say the least. Okay, guys, hi, what's going on? Welcome back to the live session. I think there isn't any feedback anymore. I have off the sound, so no more feedback. Thank you so much for joining back. Thank you so much for joining in. Right now, Clover is down negative 4.52%. So, after a couple of days of green days, I think these red days, let's take a look. All right. Okay. Just want to say, a nice shirt, buddy. Yeah, I take your advice and wear a more comfortable clothing, because today especially is so hot. I don't know whether you are feeling it in Singapore. Well, I want to say yeah, it's so flipping hot. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Hi, Lim Ming Shen. Hi. Chris Oliver. Hello. Hi Chris. Hi Henry. Hi everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I never would expect you guys are waiting and joining. Sorry, a little bit late today because I had to settle some of the administrative stuff, ergo OT, right? So yeah, but unfortunately it doesn't look fantastic because we have broken this particular ascending level of support. So it's always not very nice to see that this particular ascending level support got broken. So I'm not gonna pump this stock and say that it was gonna go up forever, but I just want to say that it happens, and we just gotta see how this stock is gonna move. It's not 100% that this stock will go up indefinitely, and we shall see. But I just want to address that yesterday, thank you so much for those who stayed, Leroy, Ichin, and a number of you to really appreciate your staying in. I felt really bad because my phone, the camera just shut down, and then my laptop afterwards just hang. It was insane. So I hope it won't happen again. Certainly hope that not today, not anymore. But if you guys watched my short clip that I took from the live session, it was pretty funny. I posted on my social media, and a lot of people were laughing. It was quite embarrassing. Hello C, hello Nguyen Thi C, hi. Yes, happy Friday. Woohoo! Oh shit, that was but yeah, today Friday, and that's why I decided to faster finish my work so that I can enjoy my Saturday, Sunday, but I couldn't finish my work. So never mind, we just gotta wait and see. But anyway, just want to share that these technical indicators, that technical analysis over here that we are seeing. Just now we were drawing this particular ascending level of support, and it has been broken since since when the market opens. It dropped like a tank. I didn't take a look at it during pre-market simply because I was trying to finish my work, right? But yeah, it doesn't feel good. But at the price of 820, I think is still okay lah, better than 7 plus, right? Thank you so much. See, I'm trying to improve the way I speak, how I speak, and so that I can talk to not just people in Singapore like yourself, people from other countries as well. So Henry, I'm gonna address. Yeah, thank you. Sup, Leon? Thank you so much for joining back. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Okay. So Henry Chung asked, "What is dark pools? And can you explain?" Right. So I think dark pools is a little bit complicated. So let me share with you this information from Investopedia. I think it's quite legit lah, since it's Investopedia, right? And of course let's go through the technical, the definitions and stuff like that. Then perhaps you can share more, like, you know, on the layman term. Okay, so but I'm gonna share with you in a little bit. But let's take a look at, you know, the price action today. Somehow it didn't move. I don't know. Oh, this is a 30-minute chart. My bad. All right, so it seems like, you know, Clover is climbing back up. So seems pretty, you know, nicely done. So yeah, I hope that we could continue this trajectory going upwards. We have a nice bounce above the $8 range, so it looks good. Let's take a look at the daily. You know, let's take a look at the daily, and yeah, it looks like this. Okay, we open below this particular ascending level of support, which honestly it doesn't feel good. Okay, if you ask any Clover investor, it doesn't feel good. I saw something. Leroy is saying things that I couldn't say. Outrightly say. It is a criminal route. Can you see? Okay, criminal route your order into dark pool, so your buy order doesn't affect the price, but your sell order does. So it's really a dark pool, as what it says. It's a dark place, right? And a lot of people are not 100% sure what is it. So let's go through the definition from Investopedia, and then from there we explore a little bit more, so that, you know, Henry, you understand a little bit better. Okay, so I think Clover is just gonna hover around $8 and $8.20. Hopefully, you know, we have a good, decent bounce upwards. If not, it doesn't feel very good. But this is the minute chart, right? It could be a short ladder attack where it dropped, so like oversold territory, then we bounce back, and so hopefully, you know, we see this upward strength. So I'll just draw it first, and hopefully, you know, it materialize, right? Okay, now let's take a look at oh, sorry, Leroy, I just realized, you know, I hope everybody can see here. Okay, now Henry, I believe you asked. I'm just gonna put your question, you know, just put your question up. Hey, hi Marcus, welcome back, bro. Thank you so much for staying the other time. You, Duke, Leroy, and a few of y'all, thank you so much. I was so stressed out. Thank you. See, I like you guys too. Anyway, in case you guys are wondering why, you know, you guys have this particular you know, weird background, like especially, you know, Duke, Leroy, you have a weird background here, because I took out all the black color mark, because I mean the surrounding area is black color. So yeah, give me over the weekends, I learned a little bit more and see how to solve this. Okay, but in any case, let's go on with, you know, some of the technicals. Where is the question? Hey, let's all learn together, man. Okay, now an introduction of dark pool. It is a dark place. Alright, so dark pools are private exchanges for trading securities that are not accessible by investing public, also known as a dark pool of liquidity. The name of exchanges is reference to their complete lack of transparency. Okay, dark pools came about primarily to facilitate block trading by institutional investors who did not wish to impact the markets with their large orders and obtain adverse prices for their trades. Okay, dark pools are sometimes cast in an unfavorable light, but in reality they serve a purpose. Do they? Alright. However, their lack of transparency makes them vulnerable to potential conflict of interest by their owners and predatory trading practices by some high-frequency traders. Okay, so over here it says that, you know, unfavorable light, yada yada. So straight away you know that the main thing of it is it lacks transparency. Institutional investors are, you know, essentially using dark pool to facilitate block trading. Okay, now dark pools are sometimes cast in a So the key takeaway here is dark pools are private exchanges for trading securities that are not accessible by investing public. Dark pools were created in order to facilitate block trading by institutional investors who did not wish to impact the market with their large orders and obtain adverse prices for their trades. According to most recent SEC data, there were 59 registered alternative trading. Okay, so basically, in short, based on this, you can tell that, you know, it's a private exchanges for not accessible for investing public. That's why sometimes on Reddit you see that, hey, most of the shares traded today is not from public exchanges but from dark pool data, and this, there are places where you can get dark pool data. Okay, I don't know whether I should read everything. It might bore you guys, so I'm just gonna put the links in the comment section below, because I mean, this is we want to take a look at the chart, right? Oh my, you guys couldn't see some of the part, my bad. Okay, now you guys can see better, right? Okay, how about I just read lah? Okay, an introduction to dark pools. How about let's watch this together? Hopefully it answers us. Hopefully it does. Okay, so okay, hey Clover, well done. Okay, send me some Clover emojis. Hold up, let me, you know, unfilter this. It looks very it doesn't look very nice. Okay, it doesn't look very nice to have your faces, you know, affected. Where is it? Okay, yeah, I guess that's the best we can do for now, unless I go and learn some more. Okay, so yeah, hey, thank you Michael, you're back. Hey Michael in the house, everybody. Wow guys, thank you for joining in. Okay, I really appreciate it. Hi Navi, thank you for joining. All right, Q dogs. Hey, I think I can do this. All right, okay, seems cool. Yeah, a lot of people seems to, you know, comment about my dog. Everybody is saying that, you know, the dog is cute, but nobody is saying Gary's just joking. Okay, now since Michael is here, I just want to show you the price movement as of now. Okay, this is the price movement Clover, and this is what I drew before I take a look at, you know, some of the other stuff. So basically, you know, this is what I drew. All right, so technical analysis, the upward momentum, everything seems pretty right. So hopefully we follow this particular ascending level of support, and hopefully, you know, we have a green day, just like, you know, a couple of days back where we started off red and then boom, bada boom, bada bam, we go up to green. So hopefully we have that strength, and yeah, okay, Henry, thank you Gary. Okay, I hope I managed to, you know, enlighten you a little bit on what is dark pools, but you know, let's watch the video and see what they say. Loaded up, ready to flipping. Oh, buy the flipping dip. Yes, yeah, I mean, I do agree. Whenever it's red, buy the red, right? I mean, a lot of traders, right? People tend to buy the green instead of buy the red. So yeah, I mean, and it looks like, you know, we are respecting this particular ascending level of support. So that's good to see. Hold on, let me disable some notification because it's making a little bit some noise. All right, so it's good. But I mean, it's up to you guys. At this price, it is good. At this price, it is good as well. 820, 827. I mean, it's just a few cents. Come on, guys. I mean, yeah, to me lah, it's just a few cents. Don't be stingy. Yeah. A lot of people I saw, you know, like they said, wow, a few 1 cent below. Like, come on, man, that 1 cent. When it goes to $20, this 1 cent doesn't really matter, right? Good, brother. Hey, that's good. That's good. I mean, it's good to see, you know, you guys are doing well. I mean, especially this pandemic, and where everybody is busy, a lot of news, a lot of stuff. So yeah, guys, more importantly, I do want to see you guys doing well, and you know, regardless of how the market moves, you know, just enjoy. Buy high, sell low. Boom. Buy high, sell low, guys. There's a lot of meme on that lah. Yeah. video is worth the watch. Thank you so much, Michael. I really appreciate it, man. I'm touched seeing this, because as a small YouTube channel, I don't see a lot of people doing live, so I just pick up live and just do it. And thank you so much. I'll definitely improve from now on. But as of now, it looks really good, poised for a good run. And let me change the color. Right, I don't know why is it in red. It's white, looks much better. Okay, take a look at this. This is a little bit extended, so I would say no. See, straight away it's rejected. Oh, but it seems like it's doing good, eh? Seems like. So we just see. Hopefully, this particular line. But I don't think so, right? I don't think so. So, don't be surprised if it dropped to, 820 again, and then like 824, 5, then, it's slowly climbing up. So, yeah, as long as you know what's up, you are not worried with the drop. Okay? I say. Will you be streaming longer since it's Friday? I will stream longer if my laptop and my phone allow me to. I don't want to, another session where halfway through I'm missing. Then you see a Doge. You see a Doge face. Yeah lah. Okay, let me. Boom. Give y'all PTSD a bit. I'm missing, guys. Okay, now. I will touch my laptop periodically. All right, I have deleted a lot of videos. Okay, so hopefully the CPU is able to maintain this way. Okay, it's not hot right now, but that day, if you see my tweet, it's so hot, right? Now let's take a look at to answer Henry a little bit on dark pool, right? So I'm gonna highlight his point so that viewers who watch this after the live session, I'm surprised there are some viewer watch this after the live session, so I really appreciate it. So what is dark pools, and can you explain? So we briefly, Michael, you just came, so I briefly explained what is dark pool using Investopedia, and of course Leroy answered some earlier on, right? And let's watch the correct definition, sort of. So let's watch the video together.
I am on a mission.
Oh man, this is ad, so let's skip it first. Okay, the rationale for dark pools. Dark pools emerged in late 1980s, according to trading has recently more popular in US. Estimates show that it accounted for approximately 40% of US stocks trade in 2017, compared with an estimated 16% in So I just want to compare what is how dark pool affect Clover directly. So if you take a look at this is a stock grid where they also track dark pool data, and take a look at yesterday. Is it yes? Yeah. Take a look at this day. When is it? Okay, July 22nd, which is yesterday, right? Okay. Wait, hold up. Okay. Oh man. Okay, I can't move this cursor. Okay, I need to move this part away. Okay, I hope you guys can see. All right, Henry, I hope you can see over here. So this part. Okay, as you can see over here, the purple color, right? Price is $8.62, and then total volume is, according to FINRA, is 23 million. Is it 23,000? Of course, behind is 3 more zeros lah. So 23 million, and the short volume is 11.8 million. So meaning almost half of the short volume, all right, almost half the volume is shorted via dark pool. Okay, that's why a lot of broker, let me show you guys Mumu, right? Mumu, and if you see Mumu, look at the analysis part. I hope you guys can see. But hey John, okay, before I continue, I'd like to say, hey John, thank you for stopping by, man. I Gary, I'm at work, but just wanted to say hi. Hit that like button. Thank you so much. Enjoy your work, man. Thank you, John. Really like your life today. Does this stock seem? Am I too close? I think I am. Sorry. Okay. I always have problem with this. Okay, does this stock seem more manipulated than other stocks you follow? I'm new to following stocks so closely as I normally just buy and hold forever. Oh, wait. Okay. Right. Does this stock seem more manipulated than other stocks you follow? I'm new to following stocks so closely as normally I just buy and hold forever, like Warren Buffett or Jimmy Buffett. You know, in I'm sorry, having a brain. Okay, yeah. You know, when I was younger, I thought his name is Warren Buffett. Yeah. So, okay. So, you know, I've been following AMC as well. You know, since January, and this stock, is it more manipulated than other stock that I follow? Definitely, it is heavily shorted. Okay, simply because what the reason is that it is a spec stock, and usually spec stock would get shorted heavily. I don't know, is heavily shorted considered manipulated? But if you talk about, you know, forcing the price down, being manipulated, then yeah, I would say so. So therefore, the price drop like a tank, and then when it flies very, very fast. So that's the reason why, you know, a lot of us diamond hand, because when it fly, you never know, right? So it's very hard to day trade this. Take a look, you know, we are going downtrend, right? Because we broke this particular ascending level of support. So this line, has what I said, is too extended. Not gonna happen. It's okay, this line. So let's see what's gonna happen, right, today. And let's take a look at the, you know, horizontal segment. See whether is this a good, you know, resistance line for the day lah. Okay, definitely for the day. I mean, yeah, to let you know what's happening to the price action, so that, you know, we don't necessarily panic. Yeah. Oh, he said a word. Oh no. You guys. I said if you look at the stock and it is heavily manipulated, and if you think that heavily shorted, okay, if you think that the stock is heavily shorted is considered manipulated, then yes, manipulated. Okay, I never said that it is. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, Chris, oh, you laugh. You guys laugh. All right, so yeah. So anyway, back to the topic. Right? So over here, okay. Basically, the short volume is almost half on the dark pool. So as you can see over here, it is basically institution investors are utilizing dark pools to short Clover without it being tracked by in New York exchange or whatever other exchange, right? Public exchange. Yeah. But anyway, I just want to share this tweet from this person, of course. Oh yeah, then as I was, you know, researching a little bit on, you know, dark pool, and I saw this dark pool whisperer. You know, hey, wait, hold up. Why do we have two? Wait, what? I'll just take out this. Okay. Okay. Hey, Michael, I wanted to talk about the warrants today, but you know, I decided to not make a video about it until I get 100% clear of what's going on. I understand that, you know, it could be good news that, you know, people are in a sense buying the stock, right? I mean, this was a very lengthy news, and let me. Yeah, I think I would not talk about it. I mean, there are other YouTubers, you know, talking about it, and I decided, you know, pause myself, because I mean, after all, I did research in the morning, and then I need more information to digest what's going on, and the possible scenarios. I mean, there are a couple of scenarios laid out, but I want to make sure that those scenarios laid out is correct. So and coupled with, I mean, I was telling Duke Leroy and a couple of others in this chat, like Lim Ming Xuan and C. I was saying that I was doing OT, overtime, right, in Singapore, and so that's why my live stream is a little bit late. So I didn't really have much time to gather my thoughts with regards to warrants. People say that it's good news, and of course I tweeted something which upon realizing that is error. Nobody pointed out, but I realized that it's an error because I said that FRS, okay, fiscal, is it fiscal stock redemption of warrants, right? Redemption. So it's similar scenario, right? And basically it indicates that strong balance sheet and confidence in business outlook. So okay, I just want to show for those of you who like scratching your head and say, oh, what is going on, man? Clover Health, cloverhealth.com, what's that? Redemption of staying warrants. Yes, this. Okay, so okay, so for those of you who are scratching your head wondering what is going on, okay, for those, I mean, there are some of you here who just buy Clover and just put it there. Clover Health Investment Corp announces redemption of all outstanding warrants. Okay, all outstanding warrants. So it is the same piece of press release. Okay, this is public warrants, and this one all includes of public and private warrants. Okay, but the reason is, okay, action streamline capital structure, eliminating outstanding public warrants. Fiscal's election to redeem warrants on a cashless basis meaningfully limits dilution. Okay, meaningfully limits dilution to existing shareholders and is simpler and less burdensome to warrant holders. So cashless redemption reflects this company's strong balance sheet and confidence in business outlook. And if you guys remember, a couple of days back, I think just 2 days back, Clover announces that they're gonna release their financial results earlier. Okay, so with this, together, Clover releases financial results earlier. Yeah, Clover Health. Hey, wait, this is March. This recently. Wait, I just did a video recently. Is it this? No. Clover Health. Oh, because there's this Clover coin, right? That sometimes nowadays we type Clover, then like it's something else popped up. Second quarter 2021 financial results earlier in August 11. Okay, they push forward, which indicate, in my video I said indicate strong sentiment. Okay, usually when they push forward their financial results, it means that they are bullish. I mean, of course, you want to share financial results earlier if it's good, right? I mean, if let's say you do well in school and you would like to show your parents as fast as possible, so it's the same thing. So coupled with this piece of information, I think Clover's balance sheet is pretty strong. So that's why they are doing this move. But I need to research a little bit more. Exactly, is it good or bad for Clover in particular? A lot of there's this Reddit user who actually posts this beautifully done due diligence, which I read and I was like, wow, okay. But I want to make sure that the information the person wrote is correct. So therefore, I didn't touch on it today. Okay, it could go very, very wrong as well, and it could go very, very right. Like if I make my own personal opinion correctly. Okay, so but I just want to share, right? Just a couple of minutes ago, like half an hour ago, Clover short shares availability has dropped tremendously. right? Let's go iBorrow desk. Okay, I'm showing you guys the chart first while I'm picking up the information. Okay. Oh, it has went up. Okay. Okay, so nowadays we see some discrepancy in different website. All right. iBorrow desk or Fintel or Ortex, every information is different. So honestly, I don't know whether should we look at the data, because one moment they give us 30-40%, next moment 20%, and then like nobody is covering. So we need to know what's going on. And of course I understand that those companies, these companies, right, this website that they get their data from they are from different brokerage accounts, so therefore the answer is slightly different. So I show you this, and yeah, the Fintel, the short shares available has dropped tremendously lah. So that's the reason why price dropped. Probably they take approximately 2.5 million shares to short Clover, and therefore we see this drop. So yeah, back to the chart a little bit before I continue. Looks like we have broken this line again. Suck. Let's hope that it doesn't form a W. If it is, then I'm gonna get I need to use my because I have another laptop which connect to Tiger, so I need to BRB if that happens. Yeah. Yep. So hold up. Okay, so basically, right, warrants. I think Gem J. That's I still remember. It's Gem J. Yeah. So to answer your question, Michael, it seems like a pretty good news if you take a look at it. It means that Clover is having a good, stable financial balance sheet. That's why they're doing this. Yep. Let me search Gem J. I still remember the person's post because I was so wowed by it. Damn. Oh, Gem J. No Gem J. Where is Gem J? I was following this person. Where is it? No. But anyway, guys, how are you guys? Today is a Friday. It's a TGIF, everybody. In Singapore, we can't really eat out, we can't dine out, we can't party out, we can't do anything out. So, yeah. So we just gotta stay at home, or we, order takeaway, and eat at what's that, car park. Yeah. But I don't do that, okay? I don't do that. But I just want to share with you this before we continue. I just want to share with you this. This is important. DTC 2021, this and potential loophole allowing more shares to borrow, because this is still a comment period. We can comment and request certain changes, at least being up for loophole. So basically what they're saying is that the DTC, basically there's some loopholes with regards to dark pool data and stuff like that. So so yeah, I mean, I'm not sure about this. I hope that that something needs to be done with how the market works and everything. Can't be you can't be those big corporations short the company to oblivion, right? So that's what yeah. So this is my Twitter feed. I follow a lot of funny people. Jerome Powell. If you guys are following these people, if you guys haven't followed this, please do. Yeah, it's too funny not to follow. Greg. I just want to share with you guys, right? Yo, has anyone seen this article? Democrats seek tougher hedge fund regulation after Robinhood Achigo's issues. Alright, so this entire thing, and you take a look at this, there are over a dozen proposals under consideration, including banning market makers like Citadel Securities from paying Robinhood to carry out investor trades and requiring hedge funds to disclose any short selling or similar bets against stocks to the public. Okay, and this piece of information seems pretty, awesome for us, Clover, AMC, whatever camp you're in, right? Because if that were to approve and whatnot, then I think it's a good piece of information, good piece of news, right? So payment for order flow, a practice in which trading firms pay brokers like Robinhood to execute their orders, is likely to be studied by Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) to determine if regulation is needed. One proposal would stop market makers from trading ahead of retail stock transaction. Yep. Why? What's happening, man? Alright, the House Financial Services Committee may vote as soon as next week. On which proposal will go full House for confirmation. Yep. So we shall wait and see how are we going to move forward. Alright. So AMC, GME, and maybe I should put Clover, but if I put that, I'll be flamed, guys. I will be flamed if I put Clover, if I comment Clover. Let's see if any do that. No, nobody dare. I wouldn't want to risk it. No way. Alright. Okay. So dark pool. So in this live is mostly dark pool. No. Hey, yes, no, yes. Alright, so this iBorrow desk is at 3 million. So is not much, right? They return a little bit. But the cost to borrow, the fee is 1.2%. So it's a little bit low, but it is just one broker, right? So we see. Yeah. So usually, when the volume is low, when everything is low, that's when it happens. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't. Hi, sorry, I was outside, rush home, so I didn't. Oh, thank you so much. It's a Friday night, man. Oh, but you can't dine out, can't eat out. Looks promising. Clover is being shorted by different people, therefore it's not the same camp. But I mean, if this piece of information, this piece of news, is confirmed, where short sellers are affected, then across the board the short sellers will panic, and generally they will just zao, because zao means they leave lah, because cover, because especially for Clover short sellers, they are, I would say they are smaller firms, so their pocket is not as deep. So I think for them to be panicked is the probability is higher lah. But of course, it depends on them lah, right? Oh boy, today seems like a red day, red day, 6% red day. All right, boom. Hey, what's up, Frank? What's up, Gary? Happy Friday. Been hanging out while answering my morning emails and drinking coffee. Hey, thank you so much, Frank. Thank you for staying around. oh yes, you're working at this point of time. So it's really interesting that all of us come together, be it live, be it for one stock, and we all come with one purpose, which is because we like the stock and we like talking about stock and investment trading, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, in your time, for those of you who are watching in US Eastern time, it is in the morning, but for me, I just ended work. So it's very interesting. All of us are connected one way or another. But thanks for checking in, Frank. Really appreciate it. Yes, Clover. Yes, Clover. Because of Clover, and therefore we are connected. Okay, so we really need to see how all this pan out, because I just saw the monitor and Clover just have a huge drop. Okay, 7% down. We're at $8. It doesn't look fantastic. Let's zoom it out, bigger picture. You just ended work too. Damn, what work is that? Okay, tell me. I just ended work. It's so late. Please take care of yourself, man. I understand. I'm not sure whether you work from home or what, or work outside, but do take care of yourself, especially this period. It's yeah. But okay, in the big picture, 30-minute chart, obviously we drop, and yeah, I think we have broken this particular ascending level of support. But sometimes, yeah, we have broken it. The ascending level of support. Bird. Let's take a look if there is a resistance line. But of course, let's see. Okay, honestly, we have had this particular rise. It looks really nice, but the short sellers are really smart. Okay, we all must applaud them, right? Because take a look. Oh, they make us feel excited. They drop, make us feel excited. They drop, make us feel excited. So psychological game, guys. Psychological game. If you know what you're holding, you're not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. Hold up. E-commerce industry. Shopee law. What floor for Clov? Okay, what floor for Clov? Let's take a look. Some technical analysis. Okay. What is the floor for Clov? Alright, this is the tic-tac-toe that I drew the other time, and basically this is the line that we have been following. We dropped below that, and I think this line is for sure gone. Okay, so that's confirmed. So then, I mean, obviously the support line, I don't know if it's, yeah, is it? Let me see. Let me know what do you guys think. All right, personally, I think that the support line is somewhere around 630 ish. Yeah, 630, 640, 650. I mean, it's a range, right? As I always say, it's a range. So if you take a look at this range, then I mean, historically, this is the support line, right? This is the lowest point, double. It touches 2 times, more or less 2 times, and then it bounced back up. So it's safe to say 630 is the baseline. But if the short seller is gonna short even more, then it could be even worse lah. It could be even worse. But consider the movement that Clover is having. Yeah, damn. Hey bro, same lay. So we have 2 e-commerce industry people in here. So either Shopee, Lazada, Carousel, or whatever. Yeah, more or less. That's about it lah. If you guys can name other name, then yeah, good. Hey, Mami Lala, Hi Gary, dropping to see what's up. Happy Friday. Yes, happy Friday everybody. It's a Friday, although the stock is down, but you know what you're holding is fine. Okay, thank you for hopping by, man. I saw your live just now. It looks awesome. Like you've been teaching people how to do craft and I'm trying. I did follow one, but the level a bit high for me because I don't really do craft. Duke Leroy, imagine how people bought how people who bought in the teens, 10s and 20s feel right now. Yeah, man, I do agree with you. I sometimes, when the stock drop, it feels bad. I'm not sure whether you were in AMC when it dropped to $5. It went up to 20. It dropped to $5. But if it certainly doesn't feel good. Okay, certainly doesn't feel good. And the fact that a lot of people tend to forget. I was talking to some of my colleagues at work, and we were saying about Clover, AMC, because they saw my Clover video, right? And they were asking me, hey bro, are you in AMC, Clover, this? I said, yeah lah, I mean, obviously. And then I was telling him, I mean, Clover is at this price, it's pretty cheap, yada yada. I was telling them, AMC dropped to $5. They're like, wait, what? AMC dropped to $5? Because their impression of AMC is like what, $30 and above. So if I mean, my point is that right now it feel pain, but if it fly all the way to $30, $40, you soon forget this feeling, right? Okay, Michael asked a question. Do you think the failure to deliver end of June will be? Oh, definitely, man. Definitely, the failure to deliver will be a big catalyst for next week. And the coming week, we have financial results, Q2 financial results, which they push forward. So I do hope that August is gonna be like power pack, punch after punch after punch, flying back up, to 15, 20, and then soon enough people forget that Clover is at $8. Okay, when Clover flew up to $28. Some of my friends asked me, 20 plus, right? Some of my friends asked me, should I buy? And I was telling them, dude, Clover was down to $6. And it was like, wait, what? $6? So hopefully by then, we could, hopefully by then we could, look back and like, oh, Clover is at $8. Haha. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely but right now, let's take a look at the minute chart. Okay. Okay, seems like there is a bounce, but I don't want to celebrate in advance. Yeah, because it could be a descending level of resistance or support. So wait, I see, sorry. Yeah. All right. So I was thinking, do people know what is failure to deliver? Maybe I just address those, like Mami Lala, Ichin, some of you or I don't know, like for those of you who don't know what is failure to deliver, let's explore it together. Just now we explore what is dark pool, right? So let's explore failure to deliver together, and slowly explain how it is a catalyst to everybody lah, right? To deliver. Okay, failure to deliver. Okay, those of you who know, please bear with us. We're gonna explore it with everybody. I mean, honestly, I was thinking, no point me talking about some technicals talking about Clover without bringing people into Clover, without assimilate people into Clover, because the point is we need more people, need community to understand Clover, so we make it easier. Okay, failure to deliver. Okay, let's go. What is failure to deliver? It refers to a situation when one party in a trading contract, whether it's sales, futures, options, or forward contracts, doesn't deliver on their obligation. Such failures occurs when buyer, the party with long position, doesn't have enough money to take delivery to pay transaction as settlement. Okay, they haven't talked. Okay, a failure can also occur when the seller, the party with short position, does not own or any of the underlying assets required at settlement, and also cannot make the delivery. I'm going to repeat. A failure can also occur when the seller, the party with short position, aka short sellers, does not own all or any of the underlying assets required at settlement, and so cannot make the delivery, aka naked short. It refers to not being able to meet one's trading obligations. In the case of buyer, let's explore, right? In the case of buyer, it means not having the cash. In the case of sellers, it means not having the goods. So if without the goods, what are they going to do? They need to buy the goods and return. Failure to deliver can occur in derivative contracts or when selling short naked. Okay, naked shorting is a big thing in AMC, and now it is in Clover. Understanding failure to deliver: whenever trade is made, both party in transaction are contractually obligated to transfer either cash or assets before settlement date. Subsequently, if transaction is not settled, one-sided transfer failed to deliver. Failure to deliver can also occur if there is a technical problem in the settlement process carried out by respective clearing house. So yeah, it is critical when discussing naked short selling. Okay, when naked short, okay, in case you don't know what is a naked short selling, okay, basically naked short selling is, wait, yes, oh yeah, you don't know, yeah, I figured some of you all don't know. So what is naked? Is naked. It means you have nothing. The word suggests you have nothing. So naked short selling, basically you don't have the shares to short. Yeah. Okay, I think let's explain it better with investor beater. Okay, naked shorting is illegal. The practice of short selling shares that have not been affirmatively determined or exist. Ordinarily, traders must borrow a stock to determine that it can be borrowed before they sell it short. So naked shorting refers to short pressure on a stock that may be larger than tradable shares in the market. So that's naked shorting. Okay, so let's continue. I see some movement in the chat. Down, Clov. Is it down? What is going on? Is it down? Alright, we are down 5%. Okay, hi Adrian, welcome back. Hi Frank. I don't think Clov will drop below $6.80 or $7.50 personally. Clov actually has some good long-term potential as they expand to new markets. Yeah, they expanded 101 counties just last month. Okay, and with Biden's policies, they are going to expand even more, right? I haven't purchased yet, but have plans around 750. Could be wrong. Okay, right. Frank, I hope that I hope that you at 750. Yeah, I think it's a good price. Okay, the other time we were discussing at 790 was a good entry point, but if you are looking at 750, that would be. Let's take a look at 4-hour chart to see. $750 is approximately around this area. 750. Let me around here. Is it approximately here, there about, right? Is it? The thing I don't like about Moomoo, right, is like they don't tell you what is the price. It's so frustrating. Is it horizontal line? No. Okay, let me slowly find. Okay. Okay, this is around here. Okay, 750, which is another support line over here. Okay. Oh my. Moomoo is making me mad. Yeah, I think 750 is a doable range. Doable range. Yes, yes, Frank. Yeah. I know I sound not very nice, but I hope we don't ever hit 750. If it does, I think a lot of people will load in a lot more. So I think whatever, right? But yeah, Frank, at 750 is a pretty good point because the risk to reward ratio is definitely there. Okay, definitely there. Because the risk is that it dropped to this point and below, and obviously I'm not sure. I leave it up to you whether you want to sell it. But if it spike up to $28, that is really nice to have. Michael, use TOS. TOS. Please enlighten me. Maybe I'm doing live, so my brain is like processing a little bit different. I may miss the boat while waiting. Yes, Frank. You may. Of course. I mean, I respect that. You want to play safe, but as what Michael said, the dollar difference if you miss the rocket would be inconsequential in the future. Yeah. So I leave it up to you, man. I respect your decision. 750 if you manage to get in, that is an awesome price, and you're welcome any day, man. Or think or swim. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they are way better. So I think this weekend I will consolidate everything that we discussed in the live, and I will make better, because I think Moomoo's interface, right, is not the best. Okay, Moomoo, if you're watching this, Moomoo, you're watching this, please do something with your interface, because if you use the phone, the Moomoo app on the phone, it's very hard to see. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I completely understand. Yeah, man, I respect. I leave it up to you. You could be correct. I mean, for all we know, you could be correct. At 750 is a good entry level, or maybe you might miss it. It might drop to 760 again, and then like from there, good news coming in, So yeah, not gonna speculate, but I respect your discipline. Okay, so yeah, yeah, it sucks. Gosh, it sucks. So you suggest you suggest think or swim or all this lah. Okay, I'll download and see which is the best and which one I feel more comfortable, because I've been using Moomoo for like what, 1 week, 2 weeks, and it's a little bit hard to look at the chart and movement, and a little bit different. Yeah. So I was saying just now to some of us over here, I might want to drag this up. Okay, pardon me, I'm gonna drag this up, and yeah, the short selling ratio over here is quite low, right? 8%. So it's quite low, 8-10%. So the reason why it's slow, cause like a lot of short sellings happen in the dark pool, right? In the dark pool, and that's how everything links. That's why on Reddit, on YouTube, we talk about dark pool data, because it is often neglected. Do shares in dark pool have to be unloaded event? Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely. I mean, after all, it is a market. People buy and people sell. And even if you sell in dark pool, bright pool, whatever pool, okay, and they will have to be unloaded eventually. So that's why, those who are very convinced with Clover, they will just diamond hand till they cover, and when that happens, FOMO traders are going to come in and everything, the price is going to spike. And as we talk about, failure to deliver, everything, the whole thing will start to come. And yeah, yes, oh my god, everything is linked. That's why it's so interesting, and not just interesting, right? Talking about all these momentum stocks, all these heavily shorted stocks, that is, your information can only be found in dark pool. It is very interesting and as well as difficult. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. Honestly, sometimes I felt that, oh my, it could be much easier if I just buy Clover and then just watch and just enjoy the party, because there are a lot of people who just buy because they believe in it, or they just want to enjoy the entire party, and just want to say that someone, my colleague, my superior, and if you guys follow my Twitter, you guys will know, I'm not in favor of my YouTube channel, not in favor of me talking about Clover, but he himself got a lot of Clover shares, more than a lot of people. So when he told me, I was like, wait, didn't you just tell me not to do about Clover, and what's going on? So yeah, but just want to say that what? Oh yeah, I posted my videos, right? Sorry. I posted my video on, the one that I glitched, and on YouTube, on my social media, and my friend said that I have stroke watching you have stroke. So it's quite funny video. Embarrassing moments. Professionally versus privately. Yeah, he told me, man. He said like privately he watched my video, but professionally he disagreed. Okay. What is that? What's his name? Jeff Bezos. I was watching this Laugh Evolution. It's very funny, because he's a rich dude, right? So he has the typical rich dude laugh. So let's watch it together. I was watching it before the live, when I was when you're working or you're studying, then you spend some little pocket of time watching those lame YouTube videos, and this is one of it, to clear my mind, chill a little bit, and this is one of the videos. So let's enjoy this video while the market is a little bit red for our liking, a little bit red. 1 minute chart. Yep. We are at this particular the wedge, right? So yeah, we have broken it away. So let's not take a look at it every single minute, right? Let's take a look at this. Jeff Bezos laughing. I'm gonna pause the music and let's watch his.
On .com look tiny, by the way.
I don't know, I find it funny.
It's
I watch this during my work
That's supposed to be
time.
bad fun. And then disclosure.
Gosh. That's the rich laughter. I'm learning how to do it. Laugh his air off. That's funny. Wait, do me right, gonna answer you. Laugh his air off. I'm training to have that laughter. Never mind, I fail. But Leroy asked a question. How long do dark pool delay the buying pressure for? Dude, they can delay as long as they can. It's dark pool. Nobody knows, right? For all you know, the information on this over here, stock grid, is not the entire picture. All right. For all you know, the information that's given on Ortex stock grid is not the full picture. So they can do anything. So that's the scary part. That's the scary part of this whole entire thing, which a lot of people want this entire dark pool thing to go away, because it is unfair. They have information, they have purchasing power, they have the strength to push the price down, severely down, and yeah, that's the part that a lot of people are not happy about. Okay, like almost 50% of Clov's volume traded in dark pool. Almost, okay, as we see from here, almost 50% of dark pool volume is in short volume is in dark pool. So I can't give you a definite answer, bro. I'm sorry. How long do dark pool? Yeah, they can stay there as long as they want, because they have the power. They have this purchasing power. Their pocket is deep. And is it wrong? It's subjective. I mean, I'm not going to say whether it's right or wrong. It's a way to earn money for them. And yeah, they could do it forever, for all you know. But of course, with the buying pressure, I mean, traditionally they can do it forever, because nobody is fighting against them. Nobody fighting against this thing. So now, just like AMC, GameStop, they can't press the price down forever and ever and ever. No way they are going to do that. Yeah. And I'm not sure. Can you let me know whether you guys trust the data on different websites? For me, I am a bit skeptical. I feel bad for saying this. I'm a bit skeptical simply because, first of all, we have Ortex. Okay, we have Ortex, and I'm not saying that their data is not good, right? But what I'm saying is that I don't know why, but it seems like they focus too much on AMC. And is it because, let's search, is it because they know the AMC is in the thing and they focus on it, not because they genuinely like the stock or genuinely think the stock is a certain way? So I don't know. I mean, they charge people $70 odd per month, so they're earning big bucks posting all this nonsense. Not nonsense, but data which not 100% accurate, because you have dark pool data as well, right? Once you master that laugh, your net worth will, yeah, man. Sometimes I look in the mirror and practice my evil rich man laughter. I don't know. Hopefully not sudden. Yeah, Ortex has some delayed data. Yeah, at first I sign up, I pay every month, right? You've mastered it. You're mastering it, yes. So there's a Chinese rich man laughter, and there's a Jeff Bezos rich man laughter. Laugh just got me broke. Just got me broke. And I was sawing this. Their comment section is quite funny. This ended up just being a hair loss compilation. And this guy made like 100,000 have watched 1 minute. Oh yeah, I mean he's the richest guy. Okay, I just want to know, anyone of you guys know how is he doing? Right, I was a bit shocked when he's legitimately flying to the sky. Is it him or like someone else? I don't know. I didn't follow it because I was like, yo, what? And then, you know, I was preoccupied with a lot of things on my plate. So I was just, nah, man, I don't think it's him. But let me know if it is him. Is it him? He laughs like 1 billion who thinks that he owns the world. Him laughing. So yeah, I wanted to share with you guys this. What I watched during my break time. Wait, he came back already? Huh? Came back already, man? Wait, what? Let me check, okay? Let me check. Jeff Bezos space flight. Sorry, just got curious on Jeff Bezos. Oh, he's back? Whoa, he's back? Oh, damn. Alright, that's amazing. Wow. Oh, for a few minutes. Okay, that's interesting. I didn't know that. I mean, it's so ridiculous to me. Like, he's the richest man on earth. And like, he just do this. Wow. I bet he's laughing on space. Wow, that is insane. Made a short journey. Damn. My goodness. And an 18-year-old student. It's crazy, man. It's insane. News said that he thanked his workers for funding his... Wait, what? Wait. Okay. Let's not make it Jeff Bezos. Let's take a look at the chart. Alright. Right now, Clover seems to be consolidating, but one sort of like not... wait, why like this? Oh, one not fantastic news is perhaps we are seeing... Oh, we have broken the this wedge or whatever, right? But then we are still this line lah. Okay, don't celebrate too early. Okay, let's look up for the clip. Paid for the trip. All right, let's I don't know, should we go YouTube? Jeff Bezos flight workers wait, what? Jeff Bezos say that Amazon workers and customers paid for the trip. Oh, really? He said that? Damn. I mean, he's the richest man, right? He can say whatever he wants. Anything. Jeff Bezos thanks Amazon workers and customers after space flight. You paid for all of this. I don't know, is it wise for him? What? Oh. Wait, what? Successfully completed his 10-minute flight. Oh, it's just 10 minutes. How much did he, fund? Blue spacesuit, cowboy hat, thanked Amazon employees and customers, noting that they paid for all of this, referring to billions in personal Amazon stocks he sold. Wait, what? Wait, I'm confused. Right. I mean, why would he say that? Number one, and okay, number two is noting that they paid for this, referring to billions in personal Amazon stock he sold to fund his... Wait, I'm speechless because I don't know. If you guys have Amazon, because if you guys have Amazon, let me know whether like you guys are happy with this, with the CEO. Critics of Bezos immediately jump on comments. I mean, for those of you who just joined, right? In case you guys are wondering, we look at Jeff Bezos laugh and then just got curious. Wow, the market seems to be consolidating pretty rate, so we just play around. No point being so serious, right? No point being so serious. And just want to say that I'm lagging. I think I'm lagging, so I think it's about time. Okay, so let's end this on a high note. Let's take a look at this funny stuff. All right, Amazon worker made this amount with CEO to worker ratio. Wow, 58/1, man. Damn. Amazon workers did pay for this. The lower wage union busting frenzied and inhumane workplace, delivery drivers not having health insurance during pandemic. Yeah, he shouldn't be saying that, man. Okay, you know what? Yeah. Okay, let's end off this with some stock meme. I don't know, just search. I love all this. Okay, so we talk about failure to deliver, we talk about naked shorting, we talk about stock greed. I'm slowing crossing so that my laptop don't explode. But yeah, Ortex, I unsubscribed already. Okay, therefore I cannot see the day-to-day changes in price because it's so expensive for nothing. Okay, one moment they tell me 40%, next moment 20%, then like wait, what? Like the information is delayed and not 100% accurate as well. And I don't like the fact that they are pumping AMC. Like, I mean, I do have AMC, and yeah. Right, thank you. Gotta bounce, Gary. Have a good, yeah, man. You gotta work. Just go ahead, man. You gotta work. He thought he did something by saying that, lol. Maybe he just wanted to show some appreciation. But he shouldn't be saying that. Amazon drivers had defecate and pee on the go, and so they don't. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. I saw an article about that, and like they count it to the minute. So the fact that it's happening, he shouldn't be saying that. It's insane. I mean, if it happens in Singapore, MOM is gonna chop his botak head. I wanted to say shave his head, but then like I realized he have no hair to, so it's chop his botak head. Yep. Alright. Yeah, so as I was saying, Ortex, I don't like they keep posting about AMC because they know that people like AMC, right? So nah. Okay, how meme stock beat Wall Street. Let's watch anything. Okay, let's watch something. Let's watch this.
It's
1
quite
minute.
obvious the market is just about ready for the next big downturn. As we
Right.
can see, in the last
is a
few
chat.
days, there has been a significant increase in cash flow to leverage long volatility.
You know, this reminds me of what? This reminds me of people who, I mean, no offense to anybody, or like, you know, this applies to people who think that they are smart. And like, you know, I have people on my, you know, Instagram, Facebook, you know, thinking that they are smart and stuff like that, and they post, you know, wow, big cap stock and stuff like that, and then they like, oh, if you buy momentum stock, you don't know how to trade, you're a bad trader. This reminds me of them.
funds. This is occurring right as they roll June long vol futures into July, meaning the ones selling those futures will be hedging their position with derivative short on the July SPX. However, the VIX Volatility Index is calculated from options dated 23 to 37 days from today, meaning hedges for June will no longer be included in the calculations, but the ones in July will. This will force the VIX up and therefore push asset prices down. This will in turn drop the NASDAQ, which I will take advantage of by shorting the T-Cubes ETF, a leveraged long NASDAQ fund. In addition, the fund is scheduled to roll their June futures into July over the next 2 weeks, which they'll be doing into not only low liquidity, but falling asset prices. This means that every day the NASDAQ drops, they'll be forced to cough up cash to the banks due to over half their equity being held in notional swaps. Not only that, but they'll be forced to liquidate holdings as the market continues to fall, meaning that in addition to paying over market value for July futures, they'll also get below market prices when they're forced to sell. This will cause a negative feedback loop, ultimately causing near or total collapse of the entire T-Cubes ETF.
Oh no, Airplane's house is empty. But maybe soon, Airplane's house will be full. I will buy one airplane ticket.
What? No, that's not even a trade idea. The airlines are still losing millions of dollars every week.
Money computer go beep boop.
Beep boop. So yeah, guys, just have fun. Today is Friday. I hope you guys, enjoy yourself. I really, appreciate your time with you. I really like this man thinks he's Michael Burry. I mean, a lot of people say that Michael Burry, predicted the price, the market's gonna crash, yada yada yada. But the man only corrected. He's only correct not so often. Okay, if you take a look at his track record, not often. Okay, so don't be alarmed whenever he tweet. He might be correct once every 10 times. So Yeah. Okay. So this part, he'll get destroyed by Lee Kuan Yew. Yeah, man. Lee Kuan Yew climb out his grave and yeah. Okay, so with that, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much, Duke Leroy, everybody. And he's burning. All right, he's burning. Boom. I saw that tweet. I wanted to sell my Tesla, but I didn't. I was like, which eventually I sold lah, cause like, it's too good not to sell, right? It's so high and yeah. But anyway, thank you guys so much. It's a Friday. Happy Friday. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys. Ciao. Hopefully by the time I end this market, half an hour later, boom, Clover is up 10%. All right, I hope so. All right, see you.